Nova Enrichment Academy is a product of our passion. NEA was born with a vision to bridge the gap between classroom learning and the real world. Our aim is to nurture every student's hidden potential and provide the right skill set to help them gain a competitive advantage. It is our mission to hone entrepreneurs and innovators of the future. How do we plan on doing this? We at NEA promote skill-based learning instead of rote learning. Personalize education to each child's requirement. Apply technology to complement classroom learning. Our holistic approach focuses on solving real-world problems. Students are able to understand that it takes more than just learning about theoretical problems to succeed in the real world. We have set up state-of-the-art facilities by sourcing the latest scientific equipment from around the world so that our students learn from today's technology. We emphasize on hands-on learning and provide all tools necessary, including dedicated laptops and tablets. And that's not all. We partner with leading industry bodies and academia, such as NASA, Young Engineers of Today, Read, Write, or Think, and many more. At NEA, we offer 3 programs. A holistic development program for children that focuses on STEM, arts, math, and language. Our next offering is a teacher certification program designed to train school teachers in 21st century STEM. Our third program focuses on adult professional development. We train professionals and equip them with the right skills to secure higher-paying jobs. We develop our own curriculum and incorporate our integrated methodology into it. This allows us to update to keep up with the changing world. Our highly qualified educators possess rich teaching experience and are passionate about making a difference in the lives of our students. We recognize the importance of the community and hold free education-related events regularly. Our vision is to help stimulate critical thinking and reasoning in order to groom the next generation of inventors and problem solvers. Partner with us in this movement.